To set heart rate measurement to every 10 minutes on your Galaxy Watch, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap health. Under measurement section, tap heart rate, and then select every 10 minutes. You have to make sure to wear the watch properly, and that is snug enough for accurate readings. As a note, you have to remember that this setting will only work when you are not moving, like when you are sitting or resting. So if you are active, it may pause and resume when you are still again. Given to the function, using this setting for your heart rate measurement helps track your heart rate regularly throughout the day without draining too much battery. Make it ideal for passive monitoring during period of rest. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.